If this it is making a 0 by 0 form, if there is a exponential form, then let this is equal to y, okay, and that limit solution, then it may be solve it, okay, result aa jayega. नहीं, this is not like a 0 by 0 form, but 0 power 0 form. 1 minute. X over limit, okay, taking log of both side, then limit as x approach to 0, x log of x, okay, and this may be right as limit as x approach to 0 log of x over 1 over x. Okay, so that will be a log of y. So log of y will be equal to limit x approach to 0. We will differentiate. I agreed this is not a 0 by 0 form, Hadi, but this technique will be a working here. Okay. Yes, this is not a 0 by 0 form. Okay, but for such kind of situation will be handled easily if we take a log, and mostly problems are solved in mostly books in the form of this. Okay, because this technique is working. We are not. Yes, I agreed. This is not a by exactly. This is not a 0 by 0 form. Not exactly. So if we differentiate up above, that will be 1 by x, okay, and when we take d by dx of log of x and d by dx of x power minus 1, 1 by x is equal to minus 1, okay. So what will be the answer? That will be x equal to 0, 1 over x, first power will be shift, minus 2, dx by dx is 1, okay, and so this may be right in the form of this x approach to 0, and that will be 1 by x and x minus x square, and this will be okay. Okay, नहीं एलसीएम नहीं लिया, ये 1 by x है, x की पावर -2 है, ऊपर जाके +2 हो जाएगी, okay, and minus is minus, so this will be equal to limit x approach to 0 minus x, so that will be a 0, okay. So log of y will be equal to, in 1 minute, log y, okay, log of y will be equal to 0, and implies that y, which is x equal to x, sorry, and y will, which is y will be, yes, e की पावर 0, y क्या था आपके पास, limit, that was a y, okay, x power x, x approach to 0, limit 1 minute. That means log of y is equal to 0. This implies that y equal to e power 0, that will be equal to 1. But what is the y? The limit from here. This was a y, and
x approaches to 0, x to power x is equal to 1.
So this is all.